Hello children, how are you? Are you all ready to recite a rhyme with your teacher? Yes. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Are you teacher's pet or mama's pet? At home you are mama's pet, right? But at school you are teacher's pet. So, today you are going to learn a lesson in EVS from head to toes. From head to toe. Okay? So, first you in the rhyme you learned a few parts of your face, right? Which are the parts you learned in the rhyme? Cheeks, chin, then eyes, hair, curly hair. Do you have curly hair or straight hair? You have straight hair? Okay, teacher is having straight hair. Okay. So, these are the parts which you learned through the rhyme. Cheeks, chin, then eyes, hair, then rosy lips. Do you all have rosy lips? Yes, right? Okay. So, today you are going to learn the parts of your body. You are going to learn parts of your body from head to toe. Okay. So, can you all see me? Can you all see this book? Yes. Do you all see this book? Yes. Do you all see your teacher? Yes, right? You can see with your eyes. How many eyes do you have? Two eyes, right? Yes. Now you can see your teacher with your eyes. So, the first body part you are going to learn is eyes. E-Y-E-S. What is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. How many eyes do you have? Yes, two eyes. And eyes help you to see. You can see the things around you, right? You can see the things around you. As you see teacher now, you can see all the things around you. Yes? Then, next, nose. What's the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. N-O-S-E. How many nose do you have? One nose, right? Yes, you have one nose. And nose, with the nose you smell and breathe. What do you do with your nose? You smell and breathe. See, teacher is having a perfume. Okay? Teacher is going to spray it. Wow, nice smell. I can smell the perfume. And at the same time, you can breathe. You can breathe in what? You breathe in oxygen. What do you breathe in? Oxygen. And if you don't breathe, what will happen? Yes, we will die. If we cannot breathe, that means we will die. If we don't breathe, we will die. So, two things you do with nose. What is that? Smell and breathe in oxygen. Right? Okay. Next, you have mouth. You have mouth. How many mouth you have? Yes, one. So, nose helps us to breathe and smell. Yes, breathe and smell. Mouth, you eat your food with your mouth, right? For eating the food, something else also you want. You chew your food, right? You chew your food. You chew your food and eat the food. You chew your food with your teeth. What is inside your mouth? Yes, teeth. You chew your food with your teeth. And you have to brush your teeth twice a day. You have to brush your teeth twice a day. Morning and before going to bed at night. You should keep your teeth neat. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, children? Okay. Then next, you can listen to the music around you, the birds singing, Then teacher is going to make sound with a finger. Can you hear this? Yes, you hear with your ears. How many ears do you have? 2 ears, right? So, can you hear the sound what teacher is making? Yes, you can hear with your ears. How many ears? 2 ears. Yes, you can hear the sound, music, song, everything with your ears. Yes, you can hear the music, you can hear the sound with 2 ears. Okay. So, which are the body parts you learned? Eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ears. Okay. Again repeat. Eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ears. Okay. And on your head you have hair, right? Some children have curly hair, some children have straight hair, right? So, you have hair on your head. So, how many body parts you learned now? Eyes, you can see the things around you. Nose, you can smell and breathe. Mouth, you can have your food, you eat your food through your mouth. Teeth, you chew your food with teeth. Ears, you can listen to the music and you can hear the sound around you with your ears. And you have hair on your head. Now, teacher wrote all these words using pen, right? Teacher is using the pen to write with the hand. So, you also write with the hand, right? And teacher holds the pen with the fingers. These are the 2 hands and 10 fingers. You can see the 10 fingers. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 10 fingers. You have 2 hands and 10 fingers. You write with your hand. You write with your hand and hold the pen with the fingers. Okay? Then next you have hands. How many hands do you have? How many hands? 2 hands. Then you have a neck. Your mother wears necklace, right? Did you see? Yes, she wears the necklace on her neck, right? So, the next body part is neck. Then, now you miss something doing this. You carry your bag on your shoulders, right, while coming to school. But nowadays you are at home, so you are not getting chance to carry the bag, right? So, you carry your bag on your shoulder. So, the next part is shoulder. So, which all body parts you learned now? Hand, neck, shoulder. And next one is the food when you eat. The food which you eat goes inside your stomach. Which is your stomach? Yes, this is your stomach. The food which you eat goes inside your stomach. The food which you eat goes inside your stomach, right? When you are hungry after class, you have food, right? Then the food which you eat goes inside your stomach. Then this is your chest. This is your chest. So you learned many more body parts, right? First, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ears, hair, hand, neck, shoulder, stomach and chest. After that you are going to learn, you walk with your leg. Yes, how many legs do you have? Yes, you have 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs. And did you see your mother wearing anklets? Where do your mother wear anklets? on the ankle, right? It's very beautiful to see her wearing the anklets, right? So, you have ankle, then you have feet, feet. On your feet, you have toes. On your feet, you have toes. As you have 10 fingers on your hand, you have 10 toes on your feet. Okay, so you all learned the body parts. So which are the body parts? Eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ears, hair, hand, neck, shoulder, stomach, chest, legs, ankle, feet, toes. Did you all see? Some people don't have hands, some people don't have legs, some people cannot see the things around them, some people can't hear, some people can't talk. It's very sad, right? Yes, you should never make fun of them. They are differently abled people. You should always help them. I know you are small children, you should tell your parents to help them. You should never make fun of them. You are lucky children, right? Because God has given all the body parts. You can use hands, you can use your legs, you can write with your hands, you can dance, you can jump, you can run, you can do all these actions. But some people can't do all these actions. So, you should be thankful to God. Okay, children? Then, you have to keep your body parts neat and clean. You should brush your teeth twice a day. You should take bath daily. You should take bath daily. You should wear neat dress, eat healthy food and stay fit and fine. Okay, so not only because of COVID you have to wash your hands, other times also you have to wash your hands before having food and after having food. Okay, so these are the body parts which you have to learn in lesson 3 from head to toe. Which is, what is the lesson name? Lesson 3 from head to toe. So, you have to read the lesson. Lesson 3 from head to toe. Okay? Now, there is a small rhyme in the lesson. In the textbook page number 13. You have to, are you ready to recite it with teacher? Shall we? Okay. 10 little fingers. How many fingers do you have? 10 little fingers. Yes. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. How many toes? Yes, 10. 2 little ears, 2 little ears and 1 little nose. 2 little eyes. You have small eyes, right? That shines so bright, like sun it shines. And 2 little lips, 2 little lips to kiss good night. Before going to bed at night, do you kiss your parents? Yes, definitely you should kiss your parents and then go to bed at night. At the same time, you have to pray also. Okay? And turn the page, page number 14. You have to read the lesson. Word by word, you have to use your pointer finger and touch the line and read. This is my head. When you read, you have to use your pointer finger and touch the line and read, and you have to do the action. This is my face. This is my neck. Which is your neck? You have to touch your neck when you read, okay? This is my shoulder. This is my hand. This is my chest. This is my stomach. This is my leg. This is my knee. This is my foot. When you read this, you have to touch your body parts. Okay? This is my toe. You have to touch your toe. Point to each part of your face and say, these are my eyes. These are my ears. This is my nose. This is my hair. This is my chin. These are my lips. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. So, you have to do this activity. Page 14 down you have to write how many eyes do you have, how many nose do you have. So, you have to write here 1 or 2. Okay. Then the next page you have to join the dots and make this picture into a girl, and then you can color it. Okay. The next one you have to match the body parts and the picture by drawing a line. And when you draw a line, use a scale and a pencil to draw neatly. Okay children? So today you have to read the lesson thoroughly. Okay children?